I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the quick launch buttons on your lock screen.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step 1 is to open your settings app. Scroll down to Wallpaper, then on your current wallpaper, whichever one you have, select Customize on the lock screen side. Now you'll see your two options down at the bottom. We have your flashlight and your camera. If we would like to replace one of these, just select the minus and then tap plus once that is removed, and you can select any of these new controls here within the different Apple options or other apps that you might have. For example, if I am very often setting timers, I can set this as a timer on the left, and if I want to remove camera, I'll remove that by selecting that minus icon and then select plus again. And if I also want to, let's say, change dark mode on and off, then once I'm finished and set with these options, I will select done on the top right. Now you can select your preferred tools very easily on your lock screen.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.